Okay, time to crack on with these Infernus Marines. So let's get the pieces on the go. I need 20 and 21. Let me find you. I should have marked this out. Normally I'm sensible and mark things out, and I've decided not to this time, and I'm instantly regretting it. So head number 20. Body 21 over here. And I also need 22 and 23, which is these parts. The way that they put these kits together, I'm 100% certain it's like designed to prevent forgeries, so basically to make it very hard to do a copy of them. But by that same logic, if you want to kind of make them unique and make them personalised, see, when I was getting into the hobby, you could the plastic kits were it was easy to swap the parts around on the different models very easily, called kit bashing. And the way that the kits are made now, it's very difficult to do that. Now, I believe that that's kind of like entirely about preventing people from basically copying the sprues to make fakes. I mean, don't get me wrong, if someone wants to make a fake, they're going to find a way to do it, but admittedly, I think it does genuinely make it harder to create fake versions of them, because you can't. It's going to be harder to kind of use like a 3D scanner on them. If you imprint them, it's going to be more difficult. So if you just use an imprinting method, basically, I'm 100% convinced that it's an anti-forgery thing, basically. So you can't really blame Games Workshop for protecting their own interests, but for people like myself who love kit bashing, who started converting due to kit bashing and started learning how to, well, I'm going to say sculpt badly. Oh dear. I have completely, what a terrible joint, and it's kind of damaged there because I've been not paying attention. If you ever make a kind of a mistake like that, it is possible to kind of fix it. Need a better pair of clippers, don't I? I need some clippers. I mean, Games Workshop ones are good, but I think they leave too much kind of hanging off, and then you have to kind of trim it down gently. And then if you're over the top and not paying attention, like because I'm trying to make the video and I'm not focusing on the model, you can end up making mistakes like that. Anyway, let's see now. So head in here, like so, and then the body. So first, it's suggesting that you put the body like that first, and then this part can slide in over the top, like so. That's nice and simple. Okay, now 24. It's the Infernus weapon. Over there. Now, I think before, when I was doing the sergeant, I accidentally cut that number 25 out by mistake, so I've got it here already. Just be gentle when you're tidying these up. Like that, and then this one looks like it goes like so. That's simple. Okay, and then get 26 out for the backpack. Horrible mold line down the middle of this. I'll tad it out more later, but there we go. And pop him on a base, and that's our first trooper done. Okay, I'll leave it at that and then make a different video for the next one. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one.